bra showing? Hold on, let me. Dang, I can't get this right. About my perch.
Read a little more so I can educate my kids. Eat from my soul and cleanse my spirit. Pray cause I'm ready for the bloom of the city. Some serenity is on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's NichelleSade, and today I'm going to be doing a thrift haul. So as you guys know, I love thrifting. Thrifting is my life. And on, I think it was the 14th, one of these days, it was National Thrift Day, and I had to get my life. So the thrift store that I always go to for National Thrift Shop Day, it was $1 t-shirts. And I had to go there. When I got there, I was a little late, so all the t-shirts were gone. I did pick up a couple. I did pick up a few items, so I just wanted to do a little haul just to show you all the things that I bought. I was going to do a Q&A along with this video, like a thrift Q&A, but the questions that I was getting, I already answered in my previous thrift store haul. So I did like tips going to the thrift store and stuff like that. So it was kind of questions I already answered. So if you do have specific questions, check out that video. I'll have it somewhere up here so where you could click on it and check it out. If I don't answer your questions in that video, then just comment below more questions that you have and I will answer them. So first, since it was $1 t-shirts, I guess I'll start off with the t-shirts that I bought. First t-shirt that I bought is this New York Rangers. I don't know anything about hockey, let me just tell you that now. But it was just super cute and I had to get it. It's this New York Rangers t-shirt and it has Nash on the back. I don't know who Nash is either, so comment below and school me a little bit. I know I shouldn't get shirts that I don't know anybody on it, but it's cute. I think this is super cute. The fall is coming up, the winter is coming up. This is cute to go under a leather jacket to just start off your layering process. Just scarves, you know. This is a great layering piece. This is great with biker shorts. Yeah, I know I love my biker shorts. So I think this will be great. This shirt is a large and I did get it out the men's section. And like I said before, t-shirts were $1, so this was $1. The next shirt that I got is this gray shirt and it says Showtime. Can you see it? Yeah, there it goes. It says Showtime NYC. When I first got this shirt, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I didn't know what it said. Like, I couldn't read it. I had to like really sit down and figure it out. But I just like the colorway of this yellow against the gray looks really, really good. This is also good for layering, like I said, in the fall and the winter time. Also right now in the summertime with biker shorts. This is also a large. I don't even be checking sizes, I'm telling you. But I just like this a lot. And this was also $1 since it is a t-shirt. So I only got 2 t-shirts. I was a little mad. I love my t-shirts, like I said, for layering, for right now in the summertime with my biker shorts. Like, t-shirts give me life. If I just want to lounge around the house, if I want to run to the store real quick, just throw on a t-shirt. But I did go late to the thrift store and everybody was already on the sale and it wasn't a lot to choose from, but I am happy with what I did choose, so I can't really complain. The next thing that I picked up were some pants. These pants, the color is different. Let me tell you, it's different. So it is this, I don't even know what kind of green to call this. Peppermint green, I don't know, but it's these pants, these tailored pants. If you guys have not noticed, lately in my hauls, I've just been loving tailored pants. Like, I love that sophisticated look and then throw on a t-shirt with it and just like make it, I don't even know, like an edgy, sophisticated type vibe. I'm here for it right now. I'm loving it. Yes, these pants smell good. I did good with the washing. What drew me to these pants, and this was the last thing that I picked up when I was at the thrift store. Like, I was just rushing through stuff and then I seen these and I had to get it. So what sold me, if you guys didn't already figure it out, is these buckles. Like, I don't know, it's these buckles on the side of each of these pants and it's just nice. I like it. It looks really nice when they're on and like around the waist with this buckle. And if you have like, I don't even know how I'm gonna style these. These gotta be styled right though, the right way. But I can't wait. They're long, they go all the way like past the ankle, so they're really long. These are good for the fall. I think I want to though style these like for the summer though. I don't know if this is like a fall color or a summer color. I'm gonna make it whatever color I want to make it. But these are a size 12 and these were $3.49. Only $3.49. Like, get your life. Let me turn it around for y'all. And they go all the way down. Now it's on to my favorite part. You guys know, like I say in every video, every haul, whenever I'm talking to you guys about fashion, that my favorite thing is accessories, the purses, the jewelry, just everything. I love accessories. I love dressing up and spicing up an outfit in any way that I can with accessories, with shoes. Like, that's where it gets me. Like, next I have two purses. The first purse is this purse. Da-da-da. Some of you guys are like, what's the big deal? This is a Donna Karan purse. Like, look at these straps. Look at these straps. Like, these quality. Quality. This purse was only $3.99, and for you guys that know, for y'all that know, $3.99 is a steal for this. Like, honey. And I love how I don't really care for big purses. I don't mind them, but I'd rather have a smaller purse on any day because it's just easy to carry around. I don't like a whole bunch of like luggage. So this is super cute. Like, my wallet will fit in here, my phone will fit in here. I always be checking inside the pockets because I be thinking I'm gonna find some money one day. Last but not least, I have this final purse and I'm so happy about it. I'm happy about all the things that I purchased, but like my purses, the two purses, that the one I just showed you and the one I'm about to show you, it made my purchase. I'm more happier about my purchases because I got those two things. If I didn't, it would be a good purchase, but it wouldn't be like, oh my gosh, I gotta show y'all. Y'all hear it? Hefty. Is this, I don't even know what this is. What kind of skin? Some kind of skin. Is this purse. I need to get into the details of this. Like, hold on. Let me get into it. Like, look at that. And then look at the thing. Look at that. Quality, honey. Quality, quality, quality. The what is this called? I can't think of the name. It starts with a C. I know that. But this is that. I think it starts with a C. I think. You pop that up like this and then it opens. Like, how fancy is that? Quality on this purse is like aged. Like aged, but good aged. Like, it aged well. I just love it. And this purse was $7.99. That is a lot for me at a thrift store, but I like it. It's worth the $7.99. It's more like a wallet. Like I told you guys, I like smaller purses more than anything. So this is the inside. It has 2 pockets, 3 pockets in it. It does have this. Like I said, I checked for it's like a mirror in this. Maybe I shouldn't show y'all. It's like a mirror. I'm gonna leave it in there. I don't know. Should I throw it out? And then you just, like, it's secured. Secured. Nobody can get into this purse. I'm so excited about my purchases. Like I said, I didn't go crazy. My plan wasn't to go crazy. But I'm so happy with my finds. All the unique stuff. I love thrifting because nobody's gonna have this type of stuff. Comment below what your favorite item was that I have shown in this haul. Let me know your thoughts on all the items that I showed you. If you haven't gone thrifting, go find your thrift store, your local thrift store, your Goodwill. Salvation Army. Go find it. If you have any questions relating to thrift shopping, trying to find your size, how you should go about going inside the thrift store, check out my previous video. It was the bright colored thrift haul. It was the video before the last video. I'll have it somewhere inserted throughout this video. So if you haven't checked that out and you have questions about thrifting, I do tell you my little tips and tricks when going thrift shopping, such as sizing, such as what section you should look in, how I like to thrift, what I do when I go in a store, how I wash my clothing, just all of that. If you are not already and you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe to my channel to see all things fashion, inspiration, and lifestyle. You won't want to miss out on this journey with me, and I guarantee you that you will love my channel and love my content. Also, be sure that you're following me on all my social medias. It's at NichelleSade. That's on Instagram and Twitter. I also have my own website, NichelleSade.com. On that website is all things fashion, inspiration, and lifestyle. Just the same as YouTube, it's just more out there. So check that out. You won't want to miss out on that. I have great things in the making. If you don't know, I do have an online shop. So I have sunglasses, accessories, all that type of stuff. I just announced that I will be transitioning into bigger and better things with that shop. I am changing the name of it and changing how I go about everything within it, the quality, just everything. I want to give you guys more. So with that being said, I am having a $5 sale. Everything on my shop is $5. Everything must go so we can get this transition going on. Everything must go. Everything will be shipped out daily, all your orders. So tell a friend to tell a friend. It's NichelleSade.com/Shade9. And if you want to check out my entire website, it's just NichelleSade.com. So with all that being said, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you are following all my social medias. Make sure you're staying up to date. Be sure to subscribe to my website so you can get updates. I update like when I put a new video out, when I do a new blog post, when I add new stuff to the shop, all that. You will get all the updates through email, so make sure you subscribe. I know it's a lot of information, but I gotta make sure I give it to you guys so you are up to date and just, you know, going along the journey with me. I gotta make sure I keep you guys in the loop. That's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this thrift haul. I'm so happy with my purchases. I'm just excited. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe. Turn on the notifications. And I can't wait to see you in my next video so we can learn, love, and grow together. Mwah.